She's right up there. Look at that beautiful horse. She is so nicely dressed and everything. Presenting her horse to the judge. He's walking all around, checking the horse out. Alright, now she has to walk back. They watch how he gallops a little bit, going back. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's see who's going up next. Oh, come on. Okay, oh, they're all numbered. Okay, she was 28. Wow, look at that white line on the top of the horse. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, this is the next one going up. Presentation. Stop. Show the horse. The horse will walk. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Presenting her horse to the judges. Checking the legs out really good. And walk around. Check the whole horse. Little gallop, then stop, and then just walk. Very nice. You can hear the rain. It is raining today terribly. Very good. Wonder who's next. It is raining hard. Makes it hard for a lot of them because it's kind of dampy, especially with the outfits they're wearing and stuff. Okay, she's going up next to present her horse. Stop. Look at her horse. Off of photos. Beautiful. Walk forward to present the horse.
For class number 28, all judges give first place to number 28, Allie Davis with Bested Almighty, and second place to number 19, Savannah Carter with Some Kind of Chip.
Okay, he's checking the horse all out. We'll have to gallop a little bit. Do the gallop, small gallop. And come back. While the next one's going, present her horse. Present, stand. Gonna walk around. Oh, he's walking around the other way this time. Wow, stand nice and tall. Look at that. What a beautiful horse. All right, now I'm gonna have to gallop a little bit. Ready, set, and gallop. Stop. And then walk. While the next one's going up. Present her horse. Stop. Stand to the side. I think it's different when you have to judge a white horse. Because traditionally, you're just always looking at the brown ones, so you have to really look good at this one. Okay, then he's got to gallop a little bit. That wasn't much of a gallop. Walk while the next one presents the horse. Wow, look at that. See the difference between a white one and one that's brown? I like that other one because it held its head up real proudly. Yeah, now that's a gallop. And then walk. As the next one presents their horse. Oh, very different looking. She's got a beautiful pink outfit on. Just lovely. Presenting her horse. Watch the gallop. It gives them an idea on the legs. And that, there you go. Now another one presenting their horse. They really got this going real good in the pattern. Boy, it's raining really loud. Little gallop. Oh, look at that with a curl of the tail to top it. That's cute. Love it. And walking back as the next one presents their horse. Beautiful. Now let's see the little gallop. Oh, look at that. Nice and springy. Love it. There we go. Oh, wow. Nice white one. Presenting her horse. Look how stern that one is on the legs. Beautiful. Look how long the tail is. What a beautiful tail. Look at the tail on this one. Beautiful. Look how long that tail is. That's a long-tailed one, eh? You see the tail on that? That's beautiful.
Put a few that are long like that.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Now, look at that one. That one's coming up. That one's got a long tail, too. Beautiful tails. Yeah, a lot of them are like that. I just didn't notice till it was the white one for some reason. All right. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. Now we wait to find out how this batch went. So stay tuned, be sure to sub me, and join me as a friend. Be sure to share this video too with other horse lovers. Bye-bye now.